The transition here from the other university that I attended was seamless. I mean that as in transferring credits and getting able to stay on track for my degree. When I came in, I had almost 100 credit hours. Many of those were transferred to UCM, and they allowed me to just jump right into the material that I was interested in pursuing.
The transfer process was very easy. I was able to apply online. I got an acceptance letter a few weeks later with a checklist of everything that I needed to do. So I was able to contact my advisor, sign up for my classes, as well as look at my degree audit. And she helped me plan out 2 years that I have here. And it was just very simple and really relaxed, and all my credits have transferred.
I believe something at UCM that we have that is not at all schools is clear transfer guides that let students know exactly how their credits transfer, transparency on what the costs are, and friendly advisors who are ready to help, and we'll be able to let you know what credits you're taking, how those are going to apply to the degree that you want to finish with us, and how that you're going to be able to finish in that 4 years from whenever you start your education.
My biggest advice would be to start the process as early as possible. That way we can give them an idea what classes they can take at the community college that will transfer, so that way they can still utilize the resources there, giving them a better graduation plan.
UCM's essence, the Learning to a Greater Degree motto, has really been prominent in my education here. And it's just been amazing to see how many professors are wanting me to succeed. And it's just incredible with the relationships that I've gained with them and throughout all my classes. It's really motivating just to continue here at UCM, and I enjoy it very much.
What I was looking for when I transferred was being able to fund my education, but also find a place to live and pursue my academic career on track. Made UCM a great fit for me.